Hi everyone! In today's episode, we want to take you to one of the most local areas on the Asian side of Istanbul. And at the moment, we are in Bağdat Caddesi, which is one of the most chic streets here on the Asian side. Here we will find mostly some local places like shops, cafes, and we really want to show you what local life in Istanbul looks like. But before we show you this area, we need to grab some energies, and for that, we're gonna take you with us to one place that we recently discovered for a breakfast. So let's go together. If you're staying in Sultanahmet, take the Marmara in Sirkeci station towards Gebze and get off in Erenköy station. In case you are in Taksim, then take the metro in Taksim to Yenikapı. Then exchange to the Marmara and from there take it towards Gebze direction and get off in Erenköy. The restaurant is situated in Ethem Efendi Street. This is a great option for having a good Turkish breakfast in this area before exploring the neighborhood. This breakfast is very complete. The place is spacious, it has an open area, indoor tables, and each one of the sections is nicely decorated. After eating, now it's time to explore and see what this area has to offer. Bağdat Street has a length of 14 kilometers and runs through Kadıköy and Maltepe districts on the Asian side, but the most active areas goes from Bostancı and Göztepe neighborhoods, both in Kadıköy district. It's one of the most luxurious streets in the city, where we can find a wide range of luxury cafes, pubs, shops, and where locals and some tourists also spend a good time. This is also one of the most lively areas in Istanbul at any time of the day. We also recommend you that if you visit Bağdat Street, also you can come to the seaside. Here you will have amazing and wonderful views of the Princess Islands and the Sea of Marmara. It is just a quick walking from there. It only takes between 5 to 7 minutes, and I am pretty sure you will enjoy a lot. This area, as you can see, is perfect for families and little children. Here you can also rent a bike and ride along the seaside. Many people come here to take nice walks or just have a picnic with family and friends. There's plenty of space and green areas for a good spot.
Just make sure to always take your trash with you. Here we can also find one of the most exclusive residential areas to live on the Asian side of Istanbul.
After walking for about 25 to 30 minutes along the seaside from Caddebostan Street all the way here to Fenerbahce Park, we have finally arrived here. This is one of the largest parks on the Asian side, and this one is located in one of the main districts of Istanbul, Anatolian side, which is Kadıköy. This little park is situated in a very little island which is connected by a bridge. And this one is very frequented by the locals, especially on weekends, because here we can find many cafes where they can just come here and enjoy along the seaside. As well, this place is perfect for those families with little children, because here they can find a lot of playgrounds where also the little ones can enjoy. And basically here you can find everything. You will find also special areas for picnic, and this is a great place just to have a relaxing day in a very local area of Istanbul.
This is a 600-year-old tree. Can you imagine all the stories that tree could tell us if it could just speak? This is also a frequented spot for wedding photo shoots. We saw at least 3 couples during their sessions.
So this was our day exploring one of the most famous streets here on the Asian side of the city. Here you can find many shops, restaurants, cafes. You can walk through the beautiful seaside, and you will spend a very relaxing time. We're pretty sure that if you visit this place, you will fall in love with it. So hopefully you have enjoyed this video. In case that you want to keep receiving every week more content like this one, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye bye.